years ago, a girl named Emmy dreamed of being a nurse someday. Ever since she was a baby, she has been interested in playing as a nurse. She loves to play with her toys, thinking they are her patients.
Ma'am, ano po yung pangalan niyo? Ano din po yung age niyo? Ma'am, i-check ko na po yung temperature niyo.
Growing up, she had the same dream in mind, which was to be a nurse. When she graduated from high school, she decided to pursue her dreams and enrolled in Notre Dame of Messiah College, taking up Bachelor of Science in Nursing. She took her education seriously, attended and listened to her class discussions, and participated greatly in class.
Now, we will discuss about the ethical rules you have to remember as future nurses. For the last rule, who among you can share some ideas about confidentiality? Anyone? Miss Lenny? Miss Christine? Ma'am, no idea po, ma'am. Miss Emmy, do you have any ideas? Yes, po. Okay, please stand up.
So confidentiality in medical setting is the principle of keeping secure the info given by an individual. So it is very necessary for building trust between patients and medical professionals. If they trust their healthcare providers because the healthcare provider maintain the confidentiality of the patient, they are more likely to disclose the health information to the healthcare provider. That's everything.
Very good, Miss Annie. Confidentiality is important for us to maintain our trusting relationship with our patients. This is the right of every patient, even after death.
Thank you, Miss Emmy.
From that moment forward, Emmy made sure to embed this learning in her heart and follow this important rule once she became a registered nurse. After a few years, Emmy is already a registered nurse and ready to face the world in a clinical setting by applying what she has learned in school. She knew that she would face many challenges aside from taking care of her patients. One day, Athena, a young adult, went to a hospital, which was attended to immediately by Nurse Emmy.
Morning po,
Nurse Emmy assisted her and closed the curtains to provide privacy to Athena.
Good morning po, ma'am. I am Emergency Binil and I will be your nurse for today. May I know your name po pala, ma'am?
Ako po si Athena Labado, 21 years old po.
Okay.
However, a nurse named Japhet saw that the patient was familiar to him.
Hala, murag familiar lagi ni. Anak man siguro ni Auntie Crizel, si Athena.
He decided to eavesdrop outside.
So, how can I help you po?
2 months delayed na po kasi ako, ma'am.
And ano ba yung mga na-feel mo other?
Minsan po nahihilo ako at tuwing umaga po nasusuka po ako.
Nakapag-pregnancy test ka? Nakatry ka?
Opo, 1 beses lang po at positive po.
Okay.
Nurse Emmy has given the care the patient needs. Meanwhile, the other nurse had unethical plans in his mind.
Buntis siya? My God. Siguro kailangan ako ni ingon kay Auntie Crizel.
Day, balang good mo.
Unsa day?
Katong kapitbahay sa God.
Unsa?
Ay, nanadi akong anak.
Yes, ma.
Best pa saan ko mo si Crizel.
Ako na lagi ka no.
Uy, Auntie. Buntis ka ito si Athena?
Si
Athena?
Oo, naato siya sa ospital gapon.
Ha? Dili.
Positive siya sa pregnancy test.
Dili nga na ako anak.
Sige lang, day, kay seryohon na ako siya.
Nung say mo anak.
Pasensya lang, giday. Uy, anong kapataka? Alaman ka kay Surya. Di ba ka mo pwede magpagawa sa information sa
Sige,
isa ka
tinuod man.
pasyente? Isag na, tinuod man or hindi ka pwede mag-istorya sa iyong anak. Di ba ginatuduan ka mong ang confidentiality dapat gina-maintain gid sa isa ka hospital? Anong kapagawas mo ka sa istorya nga hindi ta bala kung tinuod man or hindi?
Kita-kita lang man.
Bisag na.
Kamama naman yun.
Tinuod man or hindi, wala kay right nga mag-istorya sa iyong anak. Ante mo ka, wala siya kabalo kung ano man ay tabo sa iyang anak.
After that day, Nurse Japhet talked to Nurse Emmy about what happened and that he was scolded because of what he said.
Overworked, yet underpaid. Migan. Migan. Di kasabaan ko sa kong mama ba?
Ano man?
May i-share man gud ako to about sa patient ni si Athena. Buntis di ay to.
Kabalo na di ka.
At syempre na, dunggan ako.
Asa di ka gahapon?
Dito lang sa room.
Uy, naminaw day ka?
Naminaw ko.
Uy, bawal, good na. Naminaw ka.
Bawal-bawal, wala may nakabalo.
Pero dahil, di ba anak sila nga, dapat confidential ang always ang sa patient.
Confidential.
Kasi nga nang ginawa mo.
Wala lang. Kasi sa
Namunag ka sa ka. Pero next time, dili na lang ingot kay kung karon buhatong pagyapon nimo ingon duty ka sa chief nurse.
grabe po.
Lagi.
Tingnan dahil wala na warning.
Pwede pero next time dai ha. Dili na ingot kay ka na hindi.
Nurse Emmy realized that she would never do those things. However, she has witnessed a lot more of those incidents. One peaceful morning, Nurse Emmy visited the patient, Miss Cabaya, in her room.
Good morning po, ma'am. How are you feeling po? Okay na po. Kumain ka na? Yes po. Ikaw po, ma'am. Okay. So, may kailangan po kayo.
Excuse me. Yes po. May favor po sana. So, as a mother po, sana, wag po sana sabihin yung about sa condition ng anak ko, kahit sa mga kaibigan niya. And then, din kami nag-expect ng mga visitors para sa anak ko. Okay lang ba yun?
Yes po, okay po, ma'am. Kasi po,
Kahit sa mga kaibigan ko? Hindi pwede anak, para sa inyo yan.
sige po, ma'am. I understand po and I respect po na confidential yung sakit ng anak niyo. Sige po, yun lang po, ma'am.
Maraming salamat.
However, the patient didn't listen and share the information to her friends.
Pa, saling ba sa inyo ba?
Oh,
Katong kapitbahay, tagod na classmate ko sa nursing, si Andre. Bisitahon na to siya
ano naman ang situation?
ng hospital.
Si Andre na hospital?
Oo.
Lang. Kung
Bago
na
ko
siya
lang
kabayad, di
nabalaan.
yung mama may utang pa to sa akon.
Yung po kapalo, karoon ko naman nabalaan. Lakta na to siya pa.
Tara. Sure ka na hospital?
Oo, nag-iyak. Nabalitaan ko mo. Kaya sila. Nurse, good morning. Ikaw po, nurse kay George kay Andre Cabala.
Yes po, ma'am.
Pwede na ito mabala niyo yung sakit.
Ay, ma'am, dili dito pwede mo ba lang yung sakit, ma'am ba? Confidential, ma'am.
Friend yung ano po, hindi ko pwede.
Dili dito pwede, ma'am.
It's okay, nurse. Friend ko man din yung mama.
Ay, ano mo siya, sir? Ang hospital na ay strict regulation about sa confidentiality. And if gusto niyo gusto niyo gitmabatan na sakit sa inyong friend, dapat na i-consent sa parent para ma-discuss na kung sakit niya. If payagan sa parent and sa patient. Pero ma'am, kay dili man jud pwede and the patient has the right nga para i-keep private ang iyang health information. So, dili jud pwede.
Concern lang dito sa dito.
Ano, bisag, wala din timabot anak ma'am kay, dili dito pwede.
Tsaka may utang mama din sa akin.
Ay sir, labas na kami dyan sir, basta sir, dili pwede sir.
Nurse Emmy finds it really hard to deal with those kinds of situations, but she will always make sure to do what is right, including making sure that confidential matters should always remain confidential. However, she experienced similar things again and again. This morning, an ambulance was seen outside the house of the famous primetime actor, Japhet. He was seen going inside the ambulance and was brought to the nearest hospital. There has been circulating news about what happened to the said celebrity. However, none of them has been confirmed since there are no statements coming from Japhet or his management. As of now, there are many reporters outside the hospital and they are waiting to know about what happened to the famous actor.
Nurse, I don't want anybody or anyone to know about my conditions kasi makasira yun siya ng career ko. And regarding my conditions, if there are any update, please let my manager know. And I don't want anybody or anyone and also the visitors to accept. Is that okay with you?
Yes, po. Thank you po.
Maraming reporter sa labas. Hindi sila aalis hanggang hindi ka magbibigay ng statement.
Sabihin mo nga, simpleng lagnat lang ito.
Lagnat? May ambulansya? Hindi sila maniniwala.
Abay, gawin mo ng paraan.
Sabihin ko kaya sa media na attempted suicide ang case niya. Ay, hindi pwede. Baka mawalan ako ng trabaho.
Athena decided to just follow the instructions of his boss, and as expected, there were a lot of reporters outside.
Ano po dahilan?
Ano ba mga totoong sakit na sa Japhet, ma'am?
Huwag na kayo mag-alala, simpleng lagnat lang ang sakit ni Mr. Japhet.
The other reporters believed Japhet's manager. However, Crizel, one of the reporters, won't believe it.
Maniwala kayo dun?
Oo. Oo na lang, para may content tayo. Oo. Hindi ka, tara na.
Hello, Crizel. Meron ka na bang nakuhang information about kay Japhet?
Meron po, ma'am.
Big news ba yan?
May lagnat lang po doon siya, ma'am, pero hindi po ako naniniwala.
Ha? Lagnat? Gawin mo ng paraan. Maghanap ka ng ibang information tungkol dyan na pwede natin gamitin. Maghanap ka ng pwede mo utusan at bayaran. Bilisan mo. Bye!
Crizel didn't have a choice but to follow her boss, and she had an idea.
Good morning, Liz. Dito pa ba naka-admit yung sikat na artista, si Mr. Japhet?
Bakit po, ma'am? Ano pong relationship niyo sa kanya?
Pinsan niya po kasi ako, inutusan po ako ng lola at lola namin na bisitahin ko po siya. Anong room po ba siya?
Ay, ma'am, bawal po kasi talagang kahit mga bisita ayaw po ni sir.
Sandali lang po ako, ma'am. Magkuha po ako ng litrato kasi isend ko po kasi yun sa lola at lola ko kasi gusto nila makita yung kalagayan ni Japhet.
Based on the hospital policy, the patient's condition is confidential and taking photo is not allowed.
Kahit sandali lang po, ma'am.
Opo, bawal po talaga. Sige po, ma'am, marami pa akong patients kasi.
Wait, ma'am. Kahit ikaw na lang po ang magkuha ng litrato, babayaran ka ng halaga. Ayun lang po, talaga.
Nurse Emmy was shocked by how people are willing to pay vast amounts of money to do something unethical. However, she wasn't tempted. She knew what she did was right and would always protect the patient's privacy. Meanwhile, two nurses were talking about Japhet in a public place.
Yung artista ba na na-admit sa hospital natin, attempted suicide pala yung yung case niya. Yung kawawa nga, parang hindi niya na talaga kaya kasi hindi na siya nagkakain kanina. Kaya pala maraming reporters kanina. Oo, yun siya.
Nurse M, dali.
Uy, gusto ko yung tingog. Dili lagi mo gusto niya public place, information sa patient.
Na-curious naman good kami nga adam pa gani na reporters.
Dili,
tapos
di ba?
unsa ang sakit sa tong katong artista.
Dili, di ba dapat dili sa public place torihan ang ang health information sa patient. Kailangan confidential good. Di ba? So dapat, kung magstoryahan ka mo, so within the healthcare team, kit ba nga man nagitunyo sa to, Di ba kalain ba yagid ko ayo, dili magustorya, tanaw, tagang kita,
Ano ko, so dali ako sa atong tingog dali.
Kanina ba may nag-offer din sa akin na reporter na magbigay ng pera in exchange sa information ng artista, pero hindi ako nagpayag kasi baka mawalan ako ng trabaho.
Maayo gani decline mo. Para at least hindi ka mawalaan sa trabaho, di ba?
Kablo ka ganiha, gi-offeran po ko sa isa ka reporter nga, katulaw lagi nga, picturean daw to si sir na artist, pero gi-decline po na ko siya, which is good. Nga gibuhat na to kay dili man jud dapat nato to himuon kay di ba we nurses we care for our patients and we should respect their rights of confidentiality, di ba? Kay kung mawalaan sila trust sa atoa, then how can they trust us nga mag silang life, di ba? Mag-intervene, mag-make of nursing intervention. So mawalaan po sila tiwala sa nurses as a whole. So kato okay lang po nga wala dyan na ito giingon sa ila kay we should maintain ang confidentiality sa patient.
Wala, thank you kayo sa pagsiling sa mga anak sa amon. At least karon nakabalo na kami nga dapat ang confidentiality ma-maintain gid para sa aton tanan nga mga nurses.
Nag-serve jud ka og role model sa amuha.
Wala problema ito.
Although Nurse Emmy faced many challenges in her journey, she will always choose to do what is right. She pledged to never listen to other nurse-patient conversations and never tell anyone outside a healthcare team about the patient's condition, despite how she is forced to do so. She will never take information or photos of a patient in exchange for money, despite how huge the amount is, and never talk about a patient's condition loudly in public. She will never do those things because these actions disrespect the patients, which makes her an untrusty and unethical nurse. She will never forget what was taught to her when she was still studying, properly taking care of the patients, treating them with respect, and following ethical rules like confidentiality. With this, she will be a role model to other nurses, which can help them provide quality care to everyone.